Howdy ho, students. Mr. John here. It is probably about March 15th, and that means it's study day for our chapter 18 on Reconstruction. As always, we have our resources here with us. All the lessons are open. You have the chapter 18 summary, which never wants to load properly. Just click the link. It'll pop out. Nice little summary of everything that happened in the chapter. We have your study guide and your review where this video is at. If you can answer all these questions, you're probably in great shape. I always suggest maybe just reread the chapter in your textbook real quick. You can post questions here or just direct message me. And then you have your test. We don't want to forget that there's a Teen Biz on study day. It's a Thursday and it's a Teen Biz Thursday, so you're going to want to make sure you knock that out on Thursday before the test. On the 16th, the test itself, 40 questions. It's an array of matching and multiple choice. No essay on this one. And then that's for a total of 40 points. And we'll be moving west in Chapter 19. So that's what's going on for today. Make sure you study, knock out your Teen Biz, and good luck on the test tomorrow. All right. That's it for now. Have a good one, and I'll see you on the other side.